Welcome to our amazing Thai jackfruit farm. Today we're taking you on an exciting journey through the entire process of growing, caring for harvesting, and processing dried jackfruit. Sit back and enjoy this fascinating look at one of Thailand's most beloved fruits. Jackfruit is a tropical marvel known for its massive size and delicious taste. It's a staple in many Thai households and a significant export product. Let's start with the cultivation process. The journey of the jackfruit begins with selecting the appropriate seeds or grafts. Jackfruit trees thrive in well-drained sandy loam soil. Farmers primarily use the grafting method to propagate jackfruit trees. This method is more popular because it allows the trees to grow faster and retain the good characteristics of the parent tree. Grafting helps the trees bear fruit quickly and typically results in higher yields, reducing the waiting time compared to planting seeds. When the young grafted plants reach a height of 30 to 40 cm, they are ready to be transplanted to the fields. The young plants are planted with a spacing of 8 to 12 meters to ensure they have enough space to grow. During the early stages of growth, jackfruit trees require a lot of care. Farmers ensure that the young plants are well watered, especially during the dry season. Pruning is another crucial aspect of jackfruit tree maintenance. It helps in shaping the tree, removing dead or diseased branches, and promoting better air circulation. Proper pruning ensures that the tree can support the weight of its heavy fruits. In addition to pruning, farmers need to protect the trees from pests and diseases. Common pests that affect jackfruit trees include fruit flies, aphids, and mealybugs. Farmers use organic pesticides and natural predators to control these pests. Diseases such as stem rot and leaf blight can be managed by maintaining good hygiene in the orchard and using disease-resistant varieties. Jackfruit trees typically begin to bear fruit 3 to 4 years after planting. The harvesting season in Thailand usually starts in March and lasts until June. Farmers harvest the fruits when they reach their full size, which can be up to 90 cm in length and weigh anywhere from 5 to 30 kilograms. Harvesting jackfruit is a skilled task. Farmers look for signs of ripeness, such as a change in the color of the fruit skin from green to yellowish brown, and a hollow sound when tapped. They use sharp knives or sickles to carefully cut the fruits from the tree, taking care not to damage the tree or the fruit. In 2023, Thailand harvested an impressive 400,000 tons of jackfruit. This remarkable yield reflects the dedication and expertise of Thai farmers in cultivating this giant fruit. The harvested fruits are then transported to processing facilities where they are cleaned and sorted. Only the highest quality fruits are selected for drying. After harvesting, the jackfruits are transported to processing facilities where they are cleaned and sorted. This initial stage is crucial to ensure that only the best fruits are processed into dried jackfruit. The selected jackfruits are washed thoroughly to remove any dirt and impurities from the surface. Once cleaned, the jackfruits are peeled manually or using specialized machines. The yellow flesh, which is the edible part of the jackfruit, is then separated. This flesh is rich in vitamins and minerals, making it a nutritious snack when dry. The next step involves slicing the jackfruit flesh into uniform pieces. Uniform slicing is important to ensure even drying. Drying jackfruit can be done using various methods, including sun drying, oven drying, or using commercial dehydrators. In Thailand, modern facilities often use dehydrators that maintain a consistent temperature and airflow, ensuring the fruit dries evenly. The jackfruit pieces are laid out on trays and dry at temperatures around 50 to 60 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 hours. Reduces the moisture content, preserving the fruit while concentrating its sweet flavor. Once dry, the jackfruit pieces are inspected for quality. Any pieces that are not adequately dry or do not meet the quality standards are removed. The dried jackfruit is then ready for packaging. Thailand is a leading exporter of dried jackfruit, with significant markets in the United States, Europe, and Asia. In 2023, Thailand exported over 100,000 tons of dried jackfruit, generating substantial revenue and supporting local economies. In addition to producing dried jackfruit, Thailand is also famous for its street food, a unique experience that you can't find everywhere. Here you will witness the incredible jackfruit cutting skills of Thai street vendors. With quick and precise movements, they skillfully slice through the large, spiky fruit to reveal the sweet golden segments inside. Their technique not only demonstrates professionalism, but also ensures minimal waste and maximum yield. This performance on Thailand's bustling streets showcases the country as rich culinary culture and the artistry of street food preparation. The journey from seed to dried jackfruit is a testament to the hard work and expertise of Thai farmers. Their commitment to sustainable farming practices and quality production ensures that the world can enjoy the delicious taste of Thai jackfruit. The entire process from cultivation to export highlights the importance of each step in maintaining the high standards of Thai jackfruit. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing farming documentaries.